Hi guys! Do you guys have either Sriracha sauce or Gochujang in your fridge? Or do you have both? Then let's turn the plain same old popcorn into sweet and spicy ones that are addictive and irresistible. This recipe is so simple and easy to make, and it is such a crowd pleaser. Maybe you want to bring them to the next game day party or just make it for yourself on a movie night. So let's get to the ingredients. For the Sriracha flavored popcorn snack, we need 8 cups of air popped popcorn, and then I'm going to pop mine in this. 2 ounces of unpopped popcorn kernel is about a heaping 1/4 cup. Okay. Yeah, it says 2.1. Put this in. No oil and no salt at this point. I'm going to cover it and then cook this in the microwave. The popcorn is ready. And then let's make the sauce. So the pot is hot. Butter. Okay, I just reduced the heat. Okay, now I'm going to add coconut oil and everything goes in. The sugar and the Sriracha sauce and cayenne, garam masala and smoked paprika and soy sauce. I reduced the heat to medium. What we need to do is make sure the sugar is all melted. It needs to come to a full boil at least once, but yes, it is boiling. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, so it will be just about like 1/8 teaspoon. And then right now I'm going to add baking soda. Pour all the sauce in. And mix this really well. What you can do also, the next step is I'm going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes at 275 Fahrenheit. It makes the popcorn crunchier. If you don't want to go through this step, you can stop here and then eat the popcorn. It's pretty good too, but I'll bake it. On a parchment paper or silicone mat lined sheet pan, spread the popcorn. The popcorn is in the oven. I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. That's in the middle rack, 275 degrees. Gochujang flavored. I took the popcorn out of the oven. Before the timer went off, I could start to smell the sauce. Can you hear the lightness? It's hard to describe, but it's so light. So I'm going to put this aside and then cook the gochujang flavored. So butter. 1.5 tablespoons of neutral flavor vegetable oil. And I'm going to add in brown sugar. So now reduce the heat to medium. I don't want the butter and sugar to burn. Melt the sugar. Then I'm going to add the rest of the sauce. Black pepper, soy sauce, and the rice syrup, and the gochujang, and the garlic and onion powder. So melt everything and bring it to a full boil. It's boiling. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat off. I want to add the pinch of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon. Okay guys, so for gochujang sauce, I'm going to skip the baking soda, the gochujang sauce. We're going to sprinkle the black sesame seed. Also, I'm going to put this onto the baking sheet and bake for 10 minutes at 275 Fahrenheit. This one right here is Sriracha flavor, and this is the Gochujang flavor. So delicious. You really have to make it to know how utterly delicious they are. It's got it all. It's sweet and spicy, and coconut flavor, deep gochujang flavor, and they're really crunchy as well. Let me try one for you. See how crunchy? You hear that? Try one. They're hard to resist once you get your hand on them. Please give them a try. I did impress my friends and my coworkers with these delicious popcorns many times, and I bet you can too. Did you like the video? I had fun making it too. I am happy that these two ingredients, mainly used for savory dishes, can also be used for sweet snacks like this. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe for more videos on the way. Thank you again, and see you soon. Bye-bye.